Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make glowing watermark on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my InShot application, and first thing first, I'm going to add my watermark to this video. We can go to this text option and select text again, and here you can input your watermark to your video. For example, I'm just going to type watermark. Okay, and if we want to add the glowing effect to our watermark, we can go to the style option and choose the glow option right here, and then you can choose the type of the glowing effect you want to apply to your video. This one here, we have two options, and I'm going to try it one by one, and I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Then we can increase the glowing effect like this. We can also change the color, and for instance, I'm gonna go with this blue color. Okay, it's perfect. Then we can just drag the text to make it align with our video. You can drag the text like this, or you can also click on the video end to make it align with your video. Then I'm just going to place the watermark on the center like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make glowing watermark on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.